Welcome to Fun English for Kids. Hello, my smart friends. Today, we will learn the English letters A to J. Each letter has a fun word and a cool sentence. Let's learn and speak together. A A Apple Apple Apple. I eat a red apple every day. I eat a red apple every day. B Ball ball ball. The boy kicks the big ball hard. The boy kicks the big ball hard. C Cat cat cat. The cute cat sleeps on the bed. The cute cat sleeps on the bed. D Dog dog dog. The dog runs fast in the park. The dog runs fast in the park. E Elephant elephant elephant. An elephant has a long, big trunk. An elephant has a long, big trunk. F Fish fish fish. Jana sees a yellow fish in the water. Jana sees a yellow fish in the water. G Goat goat goat. The goat jumps over the small rock. The goat jumps over the small rock. H Hat hat hat. Sarah wears a funny hat at school. Sarah wears a funny hat At school. I. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. New gloves. Cold ice cream. In summer. New gloves. Cold ice cream. In summer. J. 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 Juice. 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 We drink orange juice every morning. We drink orange juice every morning. Choose. The correct word. Choose. The correct word. It's an apple, orange, egg. It's an apple. It's an apple. It's a ice cream. Dog. Apple. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a juice. Fish. Goat. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a juice. Fish. Goat. It's a goat. It's a goat. It's a juice. Cat. Hat. It's a hat. It's a hat.